To import a CSV to Airtable is pretty straightforward. You're just going to go into your base, click this Add or Import button up top, and then choose CSV file. From here, you can just grab a file from your browser. In this example, I have a CSV that's pretty simple with a couple LLMs in it, and click Upload. Airtable is going to ask you if you want to create a new table or import it to your existing one. I'll just create a new one for now. I'll show you how to do the other one in a sec. But when you hit next, it will give you a little preview of your data, which is really great. As you can see, this is what's in the CSV, what's going to get imported. And my only choices really are just to decide if I want to have all of the fields or not. I can take them out or add them back in pretty easily, as well as settings over here around whether or not we want to auto select field types or row headers. For this, you almost always want to have these on. This is going to grab the row headers like this and pick some field types that make sense. So once that's good, I'll hit import, and this will instantly import my data. So that was pretty straightforward. The other option, again, like we talked about before, is if you want to hit add or import CSV, and then this time we will, instead of creating a new table, import into an existing one. So let's say we wanted to import into table 1. Now, table 1 already has some fields, and Airtable is pretty smart about mapping them for us. So for example, it has a field called name. My CSV has something called LLM name, and so it knows that's probably what I want to map them to. But here I can just, again, change these as I want and go from there. It also knows that I don't have anything that corresponds to assignee, so it's going to leave that out. But basically, you go through the same process. Once you're done there, you hit import. It will import that data and go on from there. Now, you'll notice in this that it doesn't override existing data. So this table already had 3 empty rows, and the import just added below it. So keep that in mind as you do your own imports. Once you've imported your data into Airtable, you can then check out something called Whalesync. So Whalesync lets you connect that Airtable table to other apps like Supabase or HubSpot, Salesforce, and Webflow, and basically use Airtable as an admin panel for whatever app you want to use. So definitely recommend checking that out when you get a chance, and let us know if you have any questions.